This is Bratislava House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, this residence is one of a kind to say the least. Whether in a mood for shopping or eating out, Nexus Mall is just right across the road, and popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are also in close proximity. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our app-based entry procedure and a 24/7 surveillance system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Now as you make an entrance, head on towards the common area and TV lounge. A high-speed Wi-Fi zone, which is also a cozy little space for you to lounge with your friends and watch your favorite shows or movies. And for all the fitness freaks, we have for you an in-house gym, which is accessible round the clock. So no matter how busy your day gets, you never miss a workout. Moving on, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. An attached bathroom that's always kept fresh and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. So be rest assured and have yourself a comfortable stay. Now as we further head upstairs, we are greeted with an enormous dining room where you can treat yourself to some lip-smacking food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI approved kitchen. That too by simply scanning a barcode, ensuring proper hygiene and health safety for you at all times. Easy, right? While all your meals are on us. With the in-house pantry that's fully equipped, cook whatever you crave, whenever you desire. Done with your meal? Hang back and relax at this recreational zone, which is right beside your dining area. Convenient, right? Indulge in a game of foosball or play pool and make the most of your time. This place is bound to be a favorite for sure. We know we've convinced you, so come, live that stanza life. Bratislava House is waiting for you.